Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on proximity chat in Fortnite. The first step is to open Fortnite and go to the mode selection screen. From the list of available modes, select the one called Delulu. This mode is important because it is designed with proximity chat built in. If you look at the details section on the side of the screen, you will see that it already states that this mode supports proximity chat. Choosing Delulu is the only way to use proximity chat in the game, but simply selecting the mode is not enough. We also need to make sure our voice chat settings allow us to talk to everyone around us. To do this, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will open up the menu where you can adjust your settings. From here, click on the option that says Settings. Once the settings window opens, look at the tabs across the top and select the one called Communication. Inside Communication Settings, you will see the voice chat options. By default, this may be set to friends only or party only, which will block proximity chat from working properly. Change this setting to everybody. This makes sure that you can hear all nearby players and they can hear you, as long as they are also using the same mode. After you have set this option, click Apply at the bottom so the changes are saved. That is how you can turn on proximity chat in Fortnite. Thanks for watching.